testing the mic like I'm testing my life. So I make a nice coffee every day. So I do a cold brew coffee that my wife got me a little kit. So I put ground coffee in, I set it overnight. Cold brew, it's not bitter, it's kind of sweet. I don't put sugar, I just put some coconut milk in there and I blend it up in my NutriBullet. I just put some coffee, coconut milk, ice cubes, zoom, blend it up, throw it in here, drink it out of my metal straw, reusable every single day, most days. Well, welcome back to another episode of The Daily Dope. I'm your host, Jean-Paul, giving you that daily dose of knowledge and experience share. And today I have to talk about content, specifically video content, podcast content, the type of content I'm putting out here on The Daily Dope. So it ties back into being consistent and relevant. I've seen content I'm putting out, when we first put out videos, I was getting like a few hundred views, 800 views. And then I'm posting the same thing. I'm doing the same thing, but I'm getting less views and less views and less views. But I'm getting more engagement from people saying I'm actually watching. So I don't know. I think I got to try other ways to get it out, whether it's Instagram Reels with like a 15-second wrap up of this Daily Dope, which, the episode's between 2 and 10 minutes. So I think I got to get out on the Reels. I definitely got to get this kind of content, the Reels, also over to TikTok, guaranteed, out to TikTok there. I was told Twitch too. I got to get on Twitch. I don't play new video games. I used to play a lot of video games back in the day, video game championship. I was the champion for Sega Genesis in Hawaii Kai Blockbuster store. That was the deal. So content, got to keep putting it out. I'm not worried about the likes. I'm not worried about how much I'm seeing, but I want to stay up with my engagement. I want to keep on growing the channel. So though I don't really care about the likes because I know I'm going to keep going, I am also conscious about, I don't want to just put something out for the sake of putting it out and not have it be effective. I want more people to see it. So take that how it is. But content, I was told the best way to start is to start, right? Sounds simple. The best way to start is to start. Hit record. That's what I did 20 episodes ago. I just hit record, started talking into the microphone. I didn't know what I was going to talk about really. And then I kind of came up on, hey, I'm going to do a one word or I'm going to do a phrase or a theme for the show every day, and it turned out to be okay. So I've been putting out content, kind of freestyling. Every once in a while I'll get, like Doug. I had Doug Cordova on yesterday. I had Karen Fallout give her theme. So I'm now getting the community engagement from my industry. It's fun. It's a fun time. And I would say for anyone who, a few people have contacted me and says, hey, I want to do one too. Like my brother Joe, he wants to do one about music. I said, start recording. So he did. He's been putting out recording videos. My videographer, my content creator, Alex, he makes all the videos you see. Not these ones, but like our product videos and podcasts. He shoots it, edits it, puts the music, everything. He said, oh, maybe I'll start talking about videos. I'm like, yeah, man, talk about videos. Grow your personal brand, grow your influence as a subject matter expert. People get to know you more. So if anyone is out there who's talking about or thinking about, I want to do this, I want to do that, just start, hit record, put it out. Don't worry about all the engagement you're getting if you're not happy about it, or, maybe people joke about it, whatever you're doing, haha, you can't talk about this. You can talk about anything you want. Put it out there if you want. If you don't want to be seen and you don't want to, be out in the public light, then just make it for yourself or not. You don't have to do anything I'm saying. You can do anything you want to do. I'm just telling you what I've done, and I really like it. I've been working from home for over a year now, so this is like my creative outlet, my communication. Or else I'm just giving a long phone call to one person, and maybe that value hits one person. But I think what I've been talking about can bring more value to more people instead of just one person. If you're that one person who this video has reached and has made an influence on you, got you to start, please let me know. Reach out to me in the multiple forms that you can, the DM, the text, the email, however it is. But I hope this brought you some value, gave you the motivation and permission. You don't need my permission, but give you that one spark you need. You could start. I got to go in 5 minutes. I got to be on the Ad Hero podcast. People are reaching out now. So enjoy, start if you want. Starting is the best way to start. Nothing is going to be perfect to begin with, because as we've seen, the whole world can change in an instant and it continues to evolve. So wanting to make something perfect before you start, that's not the best way to do it. Obviously, if you have a brand or you want to do a website, you don't talk about it because you don't want someone else to register your website or copy your brand or idea if it's really proprietary. But there's so many ideas out there. Execution is everything. Execution is everything. Believe me, I've seen it both ways. I have been outpaced in a product I wanted to do. Luckily, it wasn't a super game changer, but then I've kept it under wraps until we released other projects, and we've been dominating. So get it straight. You heard it here. You can start. You can talk about whatever you want to talk about. And if you have anyone that has a problem with you, direct them to jeanpaul.com, jean-paul.com. If they have any questions, they can talk to me. I'm here. I got your back. All right. Aloha. Bye.